welcome back to course Big Data Analytics and Business Intelligence. So our today's topic of video is BI infrastructure components and the role of data warehouse in BI. So in the previous video we discussed about the BI framework, where we have seen there are three layers are there which contributes in a BI framework. Now in this video we are going to discuss about BI infrastructure components, means components of a BI, and we try to understand what exact the role of data warehouse in BI. So let's discuss this in detail. First of all, we try to understand BI infrastructure components. Okay, so here this is a small diagram which represents the BI infrastructure component. So majorly you can see there are data sources are there, then ETL will be there, data warehouse is there, then OLAP cube, tabular model is there, and finally visualization is there. So these are the we can say components of infrastructure, or you can say infrastructure for BI that is required. So first of all, data sources are there. So first of all, you need to identify the data source from where you can extract the data. Okay, for example, it may be a finance, or it may be a CRM, customer relationship management, sales data is there, and human resource data is there. So all these kinds of sources you need to identify. Then there will be a component called as a ETL. ETL stands for extract, transform and load. ETL is very important process in the field of BI as well as for data warehouse. So there are a number of ETL tools are also available in the market which play a role of extract, transform and load. So what is extract? Extraction means what? Just extracting a data from n number of resources. First of all, you need to identify the n number of resources from where you can gather your data. So here I have identified that I will gather the data from financial domain, CRM domain, that is customers related to that particular business, then sales data, and human resource data. That means it involves the data of my employee, existing employee related to particular business. So that I have identified the various sources of a data from where I can extract my data. So in the extraction part, we will extract the data from this. After extracting this data, next phase will be the transform. So during the transformation, what exactly we are doing? So during the transformation, what we are doing, we are performing a process of data cleaning. In case of a data cleaning, what we are going to do, our data is not in an appropriate format. Maybe your data is, some data is present in a tabular format, some data is present in a word file, some data is present in the form of various different, we already know there are three types of data: structured data, unstructured data and semi-structured data. So we need to bring the data in appropriate format so that it will be easier to get the data and extract some knowledge as well as information from this kind of data. So transformation process mainly involves data cleaning, where we need to perform outlier detection. Maybe the case that some outlier will be there. Outlier means the data which is not in the range of particular that particular domain of particular attribute. Then missing values are there. Some part will be there where some data is missing, so they are called as a missing data. So during the transformation, we are going to perform data cleaning operation, and data cleaning operation is very important in order to bring your data in an appropriate format. So during the transformation, what we are doing? We are doing the data cleaning. Then extract, transform and load. Then we are loading that data in the data warehouse. So here you can see data warehouse is another component of a BI where we are storing our huge amount of data. So data sources we have identified by using ETL process. We have extracted, transform and load the data into data warehouse. Then they're related to data warehouse, and number of things are there in data warehouse. Mostly you are aware about OLTP and OLAP, online analytical processing and online transaction processing. These are the two things which are really important related to data warehouse. So OLAP cube is there, tabular models are there. So a number of schema is available, and number of models are available for managing the data in case of a data warehouse. You may heard about the term data mart. Data mart is a small part of your data warehouse. Data warehouse is very huge in a size, whereas data mart is considered as a small part, or you can say subset of a data warehouse. and then finally visualization will be there. So visualization we can do with the help of BI. Various different tools we can use, such as Informatica is there, Tableau is there, MicroStrategy is there. So BI tools we are using in order to visualize the information or knowledge that we have extracted from this data warehouse. So here you can see that knowledge can be visualized with the help of various graphs, as well as by using various dashboard that you can develop with the help of this various BI tool. Power BI is very much in demand nowadays. So by using Power BI you can set up a dashboard through which you can visualize your knowledge and information which you have extracted from this data warehouse. So this is what a BI infrastructure component. Next, we try to understand what exactly the role of data warehouse in business intelligence. Do we really need a data warehouse in BI? Suppose a data warehouse is not there, what will happen? So this is what a scenario of a traditional BI without data warehouse. Traditionally BI is not integrated with the data warehouse, so what will be the situation? So here you can see your data is there. Initially data is dirty and data is unstructured. That means that data is not present in a specific format. Data is present in the form of Excel file, data is present in the form of Word file, so data is present in the form of notepad. Means data is present, but that data is not present in a specific format. So that is called as a unstructured data, the data which is not present in a specific format but it is present in a different format. So after that, what you are doing the extraction process. So as you are not perform here transformation directly, you are just extracting the data, and this dirty data, this unstructured data, you are providing it to BI. So obviously if you are not providing good quality data to BI, so whatever the information, whatever the knowledge that you are going to extract, that knowledge and information is of no means their quality is not good. So it does not help decision making, because ultimately what is the major role of a BI supports decision making, and when business can able to take appropriate decision, when they get a accurate and good quality information, then and then you can take a appropriate decision. And in order to take appropriate decision you require information, and that information we are extracting from a data. And suppose the quality of a data is not good, suppose that data is not present in an appropriate format, then you cannot able to extract good quality information. And if you are not getting good quality information, you will not able to take good decision, and if you are not able to take good decision, your business will not get improved, or your business will not grow. So all these phases are interrelated with each other. That's why getting good quality of data is very important thing. So traditionally BI is not using data warehouse, so they are facing a lot of issue over here. They are not getting good quality of data. So here again you can see detailed, dirty, unstructured data is there. Means that data is very much detailed. That data is not centralized, that data is dirty, data is unstructured data. So as a result of this, you are not able to take a proper decision. Now after this, there is a data warehouse concept which is integrated with the BI. So data warehouse uses data warehouse says offer an excellent way to clean up and store your data in such a way that can be easily searched and organized. That's why they are used in case of a BI. Now this is what a scenario. We previously discussed the scenario where we are not using any kind of data warehouse in BI, but in this scenario we are using data warehouse in case of a BI. So here you can see initially your data is dirty, your data is unstructured, but after that you are going to perform ETL tool which help us to extract, transform and load. But we are loading the data in data warehouse, but that data is present in an appropriate format, that data is in a clean format, that data is present in a structured format. So suppose you are storing this clean data, structured data, good quality of data in data warehouse, then ultimately you are getting good quality of information and knowledge, and which ultimately helps to take a proper decision. And if you take a proper decision, then your business will definitely grow. So this is what a role of data warehouse in a BI. because data play very important role. Means data, we can say today in today's business, data act as a blood. Just like that in human body, blood play very important role. Without blood your body is not able to work. Similarly, without data your business will not work. So in order to get a good quality of data, good quality of information is very very important thing. So we are making use of a data warehouse. So data warehouse play a very important role in case of a BI in order to provide good quality of data. Later on this data is converted into information as well as the knowledge. And then finally we try to understand the relationship between BI and data warehouse. So here you can see this is again a similar kind of diagram which represents the relationship between BI and data warehouse. This is a BI part where we are applying various where we are visualizing our data with the help of various dashboard, various diagrams, flow charts, various graphs. And this is what a ETL tool which try to extract the data and store it in a data warehouse. And from that data warehouse, data mart is there, data cubes are there. I just told you data mart, data cube, these are the subset of data warehouse. Data warehouse is very huge in a size and data mart is a small part of that particular data warehouse. And finally there is a BI which is responsible for visualizing your data in a appropriate format. So this is how the relationship between data warehouse and BI exists. So BI and data warehouse are two main important pillars for the survival of any enterprises. So it helps to keep check on critical elements like CRM. What is CRM? Customer relationship management. CRM is mainly responsible for maintaining the relationship between business and customer. Nowadays in this competitive market, retaining customer, retaining employees, very important thing. So for that purpose they are using CRM, which help us to maintain healthy relationship between customer and the business. Similarly, ERP is there, enterprise resource planning, for for the smooth conduction of a business, for smooth running of a business you require a ERP. Then supply chain management will be there, product is there, and customers are there. So all these things are there. So this diagram represent the actual relationship between BI and data warehouse. So finally I can summarize the thing. In order to get good quality decision, you required a good quality data. And suppose you are using data warehouse is responsible for storing a huge amount of data, and that too in a structured format and in a clean format. And if you are providing good quality data to BI will take appropriate information. If you are getting appropriate information, you can take good decision, and if you take good decision, your business will grow. So this is how relationship between BI and data warehouse works. Thank you.